Yo, what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Kel. We're here. Like I told y'all, we're gonna do something special for the Z. Here it goes right here. We're about to go ahead and prep this thing. Hey, you turn the music down right quick. So we're about to go ahead and prep this thing. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit while we prep it. This before. Y'all gonna see something fire right after. And this right here, my boy Adrian with Wet Mix. Go ahead, shout yourself out.
Oh, yeah, hit me up at Wet Mix Auto. We do it all customs, body work, paint work, whatever you need.
So yeah, this is gonna be a collab between me and him. Toxic Visuals and Wet Mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this roll. Y'all gonna see a little bit here and there. Then you're gonna see the final reveal. Alrighty, so this is the progress so far. We got her all nice and sanded down. And now we gonna be in for something, baby. Yes, sir. I'll probably set y'all up on one of the corners. If not, I'll just show y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do some clips on my phone. I'll show y'all those. But catch y'all in a little bit once this thing is done. We'll do a little reveal. So it's your boy Kel. We back. The whip isn't all the way done. Gotta do another little bit of clear coat on it, but that's close to a finished product right there, baby. I'll drop some more photos and probably some videos off my camera soon. My boy Adrian's still in there working. Getting his rims done, right? Catch back up with you guys in a little bit. Do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe. Lots more to come. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kel. We back. So, as y'all seen, and right before this is how the finished product looks. I still got a wet sand and buff it, so, but This is gonna be the new color for the Z. I told y'all I had something good coming for it. Got some new pillars coming. But this is the paint job. What's good, brother?
Damn, I ain't seen it sparkle like that before.
Yeah, I just painted it on Saturday.
Looks good, bro.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this side I haven't wet sanded or anything yet. But the roof I have. Look at this mirrored finish. Yeah. Could use a little washing, but use another wash. But I got some more videos coming on. I'm gonna show y'all how to knock it out and make your paint feel nice and buttery right after you finish the wash and everything. Well, not the wash, but after you paint it. This side I buffed out nicely. You see the nice little reflection. Did the doors, did this fender, and did the roof so far. Gonna knock the rest of this out, but I'm gonna show y'all a video on how to do this. Let me know what you guys think in the description. I'll put some pictures as well. Thanks. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. Deuces. ST, baby. This gonna be next. Watch. Just wait on it.